We're gonna call this one Ding John's World. Oh, don't you hate when you like drive down the street and someone spits in your face last night? I saw a fat thong was hanging out. This made my drink taste funny. You wanna buy an electric car? So I can switch my name to Captain Planet. I want a sandwich. If you have diarrhea, you should probably avoid situations that are funny. I did the world a favor. Charlie Brown? Oh, you mean Charlie White. If you were born without arms or legs, in my book, you're considered a rocket. Michael Jackson. I don't think that is how people walk on the moon. I saw a brown evergreen tree. The world is now a better place. Take it and run with it. Good night.